Top 5 most beautiful cities in the United States. Number 5 is San Francisco, California. Known for its stunning architecture, iconic landmarks like the Golden Gate Bridge, and hilly terrain, San Francisco is a must-visit destination for any traveler. At number 4, we have Savannah, Georgia. This charming southern city is filled with oak-lined streets, historic homes, and quaint squares, making it a picturesque destination for history and architecture lovers. Number 3 on our list is Seattle, Washington. With its stunning waterfront views, lush greenery, and unique architecture, Seattle is a beautiful city that perfectly captures the Pacific Northwest spirit. The second spot on our list goes to Charleston, South Carolina. This historic city is known for its pastel-colored homes, cobblestone streets, and beautiful gardens, making it a perfect destination for those seeking southern charm and hospitality. Taking the top spot at number 1 is Honolulu, Hawaii. With its breathtaking beaches, crystal clear waters, and lush greenery, Honolulu is a paradise on earth,